Are you tired of trying out a bunch of different online money-making schemes that only end up emptying your pockets? Well, today's your lucky day because we've got an affiliate marketing method that's not only beginner-friendly but actually works. It also has the potential to earn you $537 per day. Yes, you heard that right, $537 per day. And in this video, I'll be taking you through exactly what you need to do to succeed with this method. So make sure you pay close attention to every step, because all these little details are what will be making you sweet cash. Let's dive in. So for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, simply put, affiliate marketing is a way for people to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote a product to your audience through a unique affiliate link. And when someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. What's great about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own product or service. You simply promote someone else's. This means that you don't have to worry about product development, customer service, or any of the other aspects of running a business. Instead, you can focus on what you're good at, whether that's creating content, building an audience, or simply having a great network of friends and family. By promoting products that you believe in and that are relevant to your audience, you can earn money while also providing value to your followers. Of course, like any other business or opportunity, affiliate marketing takes effort and hard work to be successful. You'll need to have a good understanding of the products you're promoting, as well as a strategy for reaching your audience and convincing them to make a purchase. But with persistence and the right approach, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money online. Now that you know all about affiliate marketing, it's time to get into our unique method for today's video. Step 1. Join the Unbounce affiliate program. The very first step you'll want to take is to head over to your Google Chrome browser and search for Unbounce Affiliate. Once you've found their website, it's time to take a closer look at what they have to offer. Unbounce is a landing page builder that makes it easy for anyone to create high-converting landing pages without needing any coding knowledge. Landing pages are websites that are designed specifically to encourage visitors to take a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter, downloading a lead magnet, or making a purchase. They're incredibly important for any online business that wants to grow its audience and increase conversions. What sets Unbounce apart from other landing page builders is it is super easy to use and flexible. With Unbounce, you can create landing pages from scratch or use one of their many pre-designed templates, which are fully customizable to match your brand and messaging. You can add elements like text, images, video, and forms with just a few clicks, and even connect your landing page to your email marketing platform or CRM to automate your lead capture process. But that's not all. Unbounce also offers a variety of powerful features to help you optimize your landing pages for maximum conversions. You can run A/B tests to see which version of your landing page performs best, track your visitors' behavior with heat maps and click tracking, and even create pop-ups and sticky bars to capture even more leads. I know that Unbounce has a lot of different features, but to make money with it, we're going to be using the affiliate program that it offers. The affiliate program is a very generous affiliate program with good recurring commissions. As an affiliate, you can earn up to 20% recurring commission on all sales made through your unique affiliate link. This means that if you refer a customer to Unbounce and they sign up for a paid plan, you'll receive a commission every month as long as they remain a customer. So, the more customers you refer, the more money you make. So, once you're on the Unbounce affiliate website, you'll see a big orange button that says, Join Now. Click on that button and it will take you to the sign-up page. The sign-up form is pretty simple and straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and website URL if you have one. You'll also need to create a password to log into your affiliate account. Before you can join the Unbounce affiliate program, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to take some time to read through them carefully to make sure you understand what's expected of you as an affiliate. Once you've filled out the sign-up form and agreed to the terms and conditions, click on the Submit button to send in your application. It usually takes a few days for the Unbounce team to review your application and approve your account. Once your account has been approved, you'll be able to log into your affiliate dashboard and get your unique affiliate link. This link is what you'll use to promote Unbounce to your audience, and it's how Unbounce will track your referrals and pay you commissions. Now that you've signed up for the Unbounce affiliate program, you might be wondering how much money you can actually make. Well, let me show you a simple calculation that will give you an idea of your potential earnings. Now, let's say that 5,000 people visited your Unbounce affiliate page in a month. That's a pretty good number, but let's be realistic and assume that only 2% of those people actually buy Unbounce. That means you'd get 250 sales in a month. Each sale of Unbounce through your unique affiliate link would earn you a commission of $100. And remember, this is a recurring commission program, which means you'll earn that $100 every month as long as the person you referred continues to use Unbounce. So if you do the math, 250 sales times $100 commission per sale equals $25,000 per month in earnings. That's a pretty impressive number, especially for a beginner. Of course, these numbers are just estimates, and your actual earnings will depend on a variety of factors like how many people visit your affiliate page, how many of those people convert into sales, and how long they continue to use Unbounce. But the point is, affiliate marketing can be a very profitable way to make money online, especially if you promote a product or service that you truly believe in and that provides real value to your audience. Step 2. Head over to Quora. So, after you've signed up for the Unbounce affiliate program, it's time to start promoting Unbounce to your audience. One great way to do that is by using a platform like Quora. In case you haven't heard of it, Quora is a website where people come to ask questions and get answers from experts in various fields. As an Unbounce affiliate, you can use Quora to find people who are asking questions related to landing page builders or online marketing in general, and then provide them with valuable information and resources, including your affiliate link to Unbounce. To get started on Quora, simply create an account and start searching for questions related to landing page builders. You can search for specific keywords like Best Landing Page Builder or Unbounce versus other landing page builders to find relevant questions. Step 3. Start answering questions on Quora using ChatGPT. Once you've found a question that you feel confident answering, take some time to craft a thoughtful and informative response. Make sure to include your affiliate link to Unbounce so that anyone who reads your response and decides to try Unbounce out for themselves can do so through your link. To make things even easier for you, I'm going to introduce a super powerful AI called ChatGPT that can help you generate high-quality responses to questions related to landing page builders and Unbounce specifically. So, how do you go about using ChatGPT to generate answers with your affiliate link included? First, find a relevant question on Quora and use ChatGPT to generate your response. Then, copy and paste your response into the Quora answer box and be sure to include your affiliate link. And don't forget, Quora has millions of users who come to the platform every day to ask and answer questions. So, not only will the person who asked the question potentially see your answer and click on your affiliate link, but so will anyone else who stumbles on the question and reads your response. That means there's a huge potential audience for you to reach with your Unbounce affiliate link. That's today's tutorial wrapped up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.